Opposite words.
Opposite words.
Front.
Front.
Front. Back.
Front. Back.
Balance.
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 Fall.
Fall.
In front of.
In front of.
In front of curtain.
In front of curtain.
Behind the curtain.
Behind the curtain.
Big.
Big.
As big as elephant.
As big as elephant.
Small.
Small.
A small cat.
A small cat.
Dirty.
Dirty.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Dirty.
Dirty.
Clean.
Clean. Yeah.
Dirty and clean. Open.
Open.
Open the door.
Open the door.
Close.
Close.
Close the door.
Close the door.
Light.
Light.
Light up the room. Light. Opposite of which is dark. Dark.
Dark.
Yes. Light and dark. Same.
Same.
Same cats.
Same cats.
Different.
Different.
Different cats.
Different cats.
Dry.
Dry.
Opposite of dry is wet.
Wet.
Dry, wet.
Dry. Wet.
Full. Full,
Full.
empty.
Empty.
Energetic.
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 Tired.
Tired.
Energetic and tired. Entrance.
Entrance.
Yes. Entrance of the room. Exit. Exit of the house. Okay? Entrance, exit. Fast.
Fast.
Opposite of fast is slow.
Slow.
Yes. Fast, slow. Happy.
Happy.
Happy, sad.
Happy. Sad.
Yes. Happy, sad.
Happy. Sad.
Healthy,
Healthy.
unhealthy.
Unhealthy.
Oh.
Oh.
Tall,
Tall.
short.
Short.
Tall and short.
Tall and short.
Yes. Old,
Old.
as old as grandpa. Young,
Young.
as young as your brother, right? Push,
Push.
pull.
Pull.
Push the rock, pull the bucket, basket, box, whatever it is. Stand,
Stand.
sit.
Stand and sit. Like, subscribe, and share.